Okay, so in the previous video, we saw that what exactly is Microsoft Foundry, and we also learned that there are like 11,000 plus models. Now in this video or demo, we will actually take a look at how is the look and feel of this Foundry. How can you actually go ahead and check different models that are available in the Foundry, right? So let's say you have logged into your Azure portal. All you need to do is you need to select for Foundry, and you will see something like Microsoft Foundry comes up. You click on it. You can go to different resources, like one is used with Foundry. I'll click on say Foundry resource. You might remember that we had actually created a Foundry resource which was post Ignite, right? We have a complete section on this. So let's say if I click on it and I just simply go to Foundry portal. So the thing here is that all your previous resources would still be available, but it would be available in a different kind of look and feel. As you can see that we have a different UI UX experience now, where it gives you the API key, the project endpoint, Azure OpenAI endpoint. Don't worry about these at the moment, because when we are doing it programmatically, then we'll do a deep dive into this. But for the moment, just try and understand that this is how your portal looks like, where you have home, which is this page. Then you have discover, right? As the name suggests, discover. You are actually discovering, or you are actually looking, searching for the models. Then if I click here, you'll see all the models. We'll come back to this. Then we have build. Build means that you are actually building your app, or you're building your agent, right? This is the place where you will build. Now once you have built your agent, you can obviously deploy the agent. You can register the asset, and this is where the operations or the operate part comes into picture, where you would be looking at the compliance, the quotas, the different, I would say, the guardrails, or even things like observability, traceability. All these things come into picture. And then you have some like docs. You can click on docs and it takes you to some quick start documentation and all, right? But right now we are actually interested in discover. If you click on discover, it will take you to models, right? Now good thing here about models is that they have actually clearly laid out that what are you interested in, right? Either you can just simply search, like I could do GPT 4.1, GPT 4.1, right? So I can pick from here. Or it says that you don't even have to do that. You can actually look from different things, like are you interested in models that are coming directly from Azure, right? If not, then you could do it based on capabilities, whether you want to look for reasoning models. Remember, I told you have foundational models, you have multimodal, you have reasoning based models. If I click on reasoning based models, you can see that all these are models that have the capabilities of reasoning, right? It's not just simple foundational model, but they can do reasoning as well, right? That's very important. Then you can even do it by source. Let's say you are interested in models from Databricks, right? You can click here, you can actually get that. Same way you can actually look for other models. And even a very important thing that I told you was that you get the domain specific models or industry specific models. Let's say I'm interested in financial services, and I'm interested in financial reporting analysis, right? You will see that it will actually take you to a model which is already there inside Azure. If you see, it is giving you a model ID. It is coming from the Azure ML, which is Azure's machine learning studio, right? So, and it gives you all the capabilities. You can just kind of use this model or deploy this model, right? So I'm just trying to tell you that it has all these capabilities of how you can discover, how you can search for different models. Then other good thing I liked about it is the leaderboard. So leaderboard will actually give you which model is right now best in terms of quality. So if you see right now, Claude Opus 4.6 is looking quite good. In terms of safety, GPT 5.1 is going ahead. Throughput, tokens per second, if it says higher is better, so GPT 5 Nano. And estimated cost wise, if you see the lower, which is GPT 5 Nano, is looking the best. But if you talk overall, you can see here in terms of leaderboard, this is the prize icon, or the trophy icon is actually going to Claude Opus 4.6, right? Which is really good. So if I actually go back, you can even go back to discover. You can view all the models, right? And you can go to models. Okay. So one good thing I liked about is that you can do some compare models as well. So if I actually click on compare model, you can see that it is giving me different comparisons between, let's say, GPT 5, GPT 4o and Grok, right? And you can look at what quality you are getting, what is the quality percentage, the safety percentage of each, and you can even change. Like today, if I'm interested in comparing GPT-5 to GPT, let's say Claude Sonnet 4.6, right? So I can actually look at that as well. And if interested, you can actually look at details of each of the models as well, right? So yeah, this I would say video or lecture was just to tell you, when I say there are 11,000 plus models, how do you kind of discover your models within Microsoft Foundry? Thanks for watching.